everyone. Honestly, my head is starting to hurt too.
Yeah, I'm dead, honestly. Okay, so I'm Hawa, and we're doing the Somali challenge. So 5 questions, and me and Hamdi are gonna translate it to Somali. Whoever translates it the best wins. Okay, first
round
question.
1.
Yes.
Thanks.
My name is.
You're first.
My name Hawa.
Magahe Mawaya Hamdi.
Who pronounced it better?
You did.
I win.
1.
Shadi, it's because my head is spinning right
2.
2.
now. I think it's the lights.
My eyes hurt.
Okay, go.
My eyes hurt.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to say eyes in Somali.
Just try.
Eyes hurt.
You're kidding me.
Wallah, I don't know.
Okay. My eyes hurt is India Hanunayo.
Oh, I knew it because they used to call me in the agar when I was a little.
Does that mean green eyes?
I thought it was red eyes.
In the Gudud.
In the Gudud, my bad. It wasn't in the agar. It was in the Gudud because they thought I was the devil when I was a kid.
Muskin. Listen.
Okay,
Round
third.
3.
Yeah.
I'm wearing necklace.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know how to say necklace.
At least say part of the sentence.
Okay,
Wait, how come you're more lenient with her?
I'm immune to
You
everybody.
said you know how to say eyes.
I think that's
Then I said
fucked
try it.
up.
Okay. I'm wearing a necklace is
Shadi,
Gishna.
you to love me more.
I don't know. How about Gishna?
You said that?
Yeah. I don't know.
Isn't that gold?
Yeah, but I don't know how to say necklace.
Okay, go.
I was about to say Keshili.
I'm wearing a necklace. Go.
I know, but I thought Keshili was necklace for a second.
What the heck is Keshili? Bruh? I've never heard of that. Keshili?
What do you say Keshili? What do you say bra? I mean in Somali then.
Rajabeto? Or
No,
Rajasim?
we'll have to lie. She says the most. I've never heard the
What the heck is Keshili?
Corbeto.
Anyways, go. It doesn't matter.
Rajabeto. She says Carbeto for busto.
Corbeto.
The
Yeah, but
Italians
she
colonized
said-
us. What can I do about it?
Okay, go.
Okay.
I don't know.
Wait, what was it? My eyes
I'm
hurt?
wearing a necklace.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. So, and she doesn't know, so what is it?
So it's good we both don't get it.
Okay, move on.
So let's throw out that round.
No, we'll move on.
Yeah, we both
Round.
don't know, so we both have 1 point now, right?
Yep.
So round 3.
Round 3. The phone is ringing.
Okay, go.
It's not my turn. It's your turn now.
No, I did necklace first.
Yes, you did.
Oh, we're doing necklace first?
The phone is ringing.
The phone is ringing.
I'm thinking.
Okay.
Telephone call.
Oh my god. There's no word for ringing.
That's I don't know what ringing is.
So, bless you.
What is ringing? Shadia.
Telepon mo ko yan.
Oh. You're right.
Okay, let's move on. Round
Okay.
4. It's still
Round
1-1.
Wow.
At least I'm not losing.
I know. Okay,
Round
go.
4.
I'm gonna kill myself.
I'm wearing glasses.
Okay, is it my turn?
Mhm.
Ogyala Gishna.
Hmm?
Ogyala Gishna.
Kialo.
I'm wearing glasses.
Kialo. What do you say? Kialo.
Ogyala.
Ogyalo.
Gishna.
Isn't it Kialo?
Ban Harana. Ban Harane.
Go.
Kialo Wahrana.
Kialo for glasses?
Yeah.
What the hell are Kialo?
Okay, wata.
We're both
It
wrong.
says like you both are tied because you
Okay.
said the translation for
Okay.
at least
Okay, 2-2.
Yeah.
Number 5.
number 5. Number 5. Okay. My hair is braided.
Girl, I don't know what the hell braided is.
There's a word for it.
Never mind, I do.
Okay, go.
Timahe hoye de me dabde.
Hoy mo po rin
Okay, timahe what dabe.
Okay.
The
Go.
computer.
Okay, so my hair is braided as timhewa dabsan thai.
J1.
Are you kidding me, Shadia? Timmy, what dabe? What's
You said
Yo,
Timmy
hoy
what
dabte.
hoy what in bed.
okay? What then? My second time I like Timmy, what
Listen,
dabe?
timhewa dabi means I braided my hair.
Yeah, that's
I
what she
said
said,
timhe.
right?
No, she said my hair is braided. So I said timhewa dabsan thai.
Huh.
Oh man.
So I won.
Can we do
We're
winner
doing
takes
it-
all?
Yes.
The winner takes all?
Yeah.
Turn off the light.
Okay, let's say in 5 sentences. Okay.
Wait,
In 5
can I
seconds.
think?
Okay, think about
I'm
it.
gonna think. You know, I'll just let you have this.
Nahadimi.
Nalhadimi.
Look at me.
Nalkadimi.
Okay, then she can no. Then we gotta do another one because she did it wrong.
Okay, but I still won the challenge.
She did it wrong.
Okay.
Okay, another lightning round.
Round 2. Okay. Close the door.
Okay, let's say.
Abab kaher.
Okay, it's your turn. Go. She said it. You go.
Abab kahar.
Okay, so you all still thought. She
Okay.
still won.
I still
How
won
did
the
she
challenge.
still
I still won the
win?
challenge. That is the end. Bye.